We're rolling.
Hey guys, what's up? Wade here. On today's episode of How To, I'm going to show you how to apply your girlfriend's makeup. This is my girlfriend Allie, and I have watched her apply her makeup many a times from afar. So I think I have it down to a T, and we'll see how it goes.
You'll do great. Here we go.
I'm going to start with foundation. It's one of these three things. That doesn't look like your skin. There's way more than this. Where does it all go? This is it. No. How do you get it out? Oh, that's right. There should be more. And she's done. Let's see. You definitely need way more.
Why?
In a good way.
Okay. That sounded bad.
Your nose has just the right amount. I know the correct way to apply it. I don't know if I'm doing it right, but it's to make sure if you were born with freckles, they shall not be visible at all. That's the appropriate way to
Did someone tell you this?
use foundation. Yep.
That's what you
Where did the book want?
did. You're at a book and how to make it.
This is a different shade of skin. Moles are tricky to cover up though. Very tricky. I think it's a texture thing. It's kind of dried up and crusty at the top. Don't know why, but if you just use more, I feel like that should do it. Oh yes. Okay. I see no difference, just less freckles. That's how I know I did it right. Let's see. And next we have the eyeshadow. Numerous colors. Someone very talented such as myself could do a gradient from darker to lighter colors. I don't have that time today. I'm on a time crunch. So I do want to go dark though. Let's see. Okay. And the trick to this is more is more. Here's kind of that gradient we were talking about. darker up top. Lighter on the actual eyelid. And then you just blend this. Beautiful. You look like you got a black eye in 6th period.
Oh, this is...
Let's see. Perfect. This looks fun. I think this is eyeliner. It's liquid eyeliner. Oh, that's the only eyeliner we have. But first, there's Brow Creator. Yeah, if you have to create brows, this is what you do. She has a little scar on her upper eye. And so she does that to create a brow. She only uses liquid eyeliner apparently, so this is what we're going for. Okay. The trick is to make this look as much like Cleopatra as possible, which means you go very far in and
sorry.
And as far out wide as you can. Excuse me, please. Concentrate. Focus.
Okay.
Oh, they make pencils for this?
Mm-hmm.
I've seen she goes out wide with it like that. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Alright guys, there's no turning back. Absolutely no turning back at this point. Once you're committed to the, you know, liquid eyeliner, you know, you just go for it. Yeah, just I'm gonna do one more layer on this guy. Next we have the mascara. Looks like pipe cleaner, but what do I know? Yes, this is what we should be doing. It's all about the twist in the wrist. Oh, maybe not so much. I can fix that. There's not much there on the bottom. Oh, there we go. You have like 7 hairs. Look up, please. I think I got all 7 of them. Okay. Yeah, I'll do the bottom ones. Kind of helps if you use a lot of eyeliner and you get them on the hairs, your job's already halfway done when you get to this part. Because this side, it's already black. Oh yeah, this is nice. I felt like this would have been much nicer. Oh yes. Let me see your top ones. It's now time to use super blendable powder. It's got a great name, very catchy.
You can open the bottom.
I'm gonna be honest, I don't know the purpose of this, but it says super blendable, so I feel like it will fix all my corrections, or all my discrepancies I made, especially this. Nope, it didn't blend that at all. I'll just use some of the liquid. And I'll use my finger for this. That's what you've been doing. I will use the brush for this. Don't know how much is enough, but with makeup you can never have too much, let's be honest. I see no change at all. So this super blendable powder is obviously working very well because I don't even see it. Okay, I see it now. Next we have a fan favorite bronzer powder, aka glitter. She gets it everywhere. It's on the counter, the sheets, on the carpet, and most importantly on me every day of my life. I will use this brush again. And you just put it everywhere. I don't see that much glitter. Oh God. Lip mousse. Do you want high shine or do you want a matte finish today? You know what?
This is all you.
Go high shine. Go big or go home. Alright. Say and you just use the same finger you've been using for everything else in here. It just makes it that much more super blendable. You know what to do. Close your lips. Yeah, wrap it all around. That's what I was missing. This is the shiny stuff I was looking for. This is the stuff that gets everywhere. It's as good as that gets. But life is about all the beautiful little imperfections. And just like that, we're ready to hit the town.
Am I pretty?
You're so pretty.
You did a great.
It's all super blendable. You can put it wherever you want. Wherever you want.
It looks sweaty.
Alright. That was the tutorial. I have all the brands and names of everything if you need them. I'm very familiar with all of them, obviously. And I did my homework. So, thanks.
Goodbye.